The Clever Fox and the Crow. One sunny day in the forest, a hungry fox was searching for food. As he wandered near a tall tree, he saw a crow perched on a branch with a big, delicious piece of cheese in its beak. The clever fox decided to trick the crow into dropping the cheese. He looked up at the crow and said, "Good day, beautiful crow. Your feathers are so shiny, and your voice must be as lovely as your appearance. Would you sing a song for me?" The crow, flattered by the fox's words, opened its beak to sing. As soon as it did, the cheese fell to the ground. The fox quickly grabbed the cheese and gobbled it up. "Thank you for the song and the cheese," said the fox, smiling. The crow realized it had been tricked and learned a valuable lesson. Don't let flattery distract you from your goals. English lesson, vocabulary. Flattered, tricked, gobbled, shiny, appearance. Grammar, past tense verbs, saw, said, grabbed, realized. Lesson, be careful of people who use flattery to get what they want. If you enjoyed our story, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update.